Welcome to the new Camtasia Studio. We encourage you to watch and play with this Getting Started project video to learn some of the most important concepts of using the editor.
Storify
If you
is an
want more
interactive
in-depth tutorials
storytelling
that will walk you
communication
through the entire
technology
process
that
of
gives users
recording,
the opportunity
editing,
to
and
tell a
sharing your
story from
videos,
multiple
then
forms of
please
social
watch the
media
Getting
and
Started
multiple
tutorials using this
perspectives.
link under the
The web
Help menu.
application is free and
The
intuitive
editor
and
is
is a
divided up into
great
three main
way to
areas:
write
the
or read
clip
a
bin,
story
the
from a
timeline, and the
user-generated
canvas.
database. It's also
The
a
canvas
great
is where you
source of
see your
storytelling
video
that
during
more and more
playback and
media
can
outlets are
move,
starting to use.
resize, and reposition
Once you
all
log
media
onto
however you want.
Storify.com, you can create
The timeline is where
an
you
account,
assemble and
or
edit
you
your
can
video.
log in
At the
without
top
one.
of the timeline,
If you
tick
choose to
marks
log in
represent
with an
time in
account,
terms of
you can
minutes and
do so
seconds.
by logging in
When
with
building a
Facebook or
video,
Twitter,
you'll
or
work in a
using just
horizontal manner,
simply your
beginning
username
from the left
and
and moving
password
sequentially
combination.
through time toward the right. The tracks are layered on top of each other, so media you add on higher
Once
tracks
in,
is
you
viewed on
can
top of media
browse
on lower
other
tracks in
users'
the canvas.
stories based on topics such as
For
government
example, this callout is placed
or
on top of the video
universities or
track on the
news or
timeline,
conferences.
and therefore is
You
on
can
top
browse
of the
your
screen
main web
video on the
page,
canvas. If I
or
drag the
you can
video
create your
track
own
on top
story
of the
by
callout
clicking the
on the
green button at
timeline,
the top.
the callout is now hidden behind the video
If you
on
want
the
to create your own
canvas.
story, you can start with a
Use
title
the zoom slider to magnify the view of the timeline.
and then write
This
a
is
little
very
bit
helpful when making
about what your
precise
story is going to
cuts
be
and
about in the first
selections,
text
like
box.
removing ums in your audio. New media can be dragged and dropped on an existing track,
Then you
or a
can
new
start
track
adding
is
media.
automatically created when
You can
media is
add
dropped at this
anything
location at
from
the top of the
Twitter
timeline.
or things on Facebook,
To change the position
YouTube
of a clip on the
videos, pictures
timeline,
from Flickr,
just drag it.
Instagram, and
To
you can
change
do
the
it by
duration of a
searching
clip,
keywords as
drag the
well,
edges in either
such as
direction.
Storify.
An important
Here you
part of
can
the
find a
timeline is
Storify
the playhead.
tutorial video, and all you
To
have to
view
do
your
is drag and
video,
drop it
click
into your
play.
Storify.
Notice how the video and the timeline's playhead stay in
Then you
sync.
can go on creating more
Click
and add
anywhere
into your
along the
story.
timeline and
You
the
can add
playhead
another
moves
text
to
box
that point.
underneath by simply
To
clicking
remove a
below
portion of your video, make a
your most
selection with the
recent
green
added
in
media
point and red out
and add
point.
more words.
Then click the cut button. If you don't want media cut on
Then
a
you can
specific
continue
track,
on
just click the lock
by
icon.
seeing other people's
If you make a
social
mistake
media,
while
anything
editing,
that's
press
public,
Ctrl-Z on the keyboard to undo, or choose Edit Undo.
and adding it to your Storify.
Double-click the playhead to deselect. Next, we'll look at the clip bin in the library. The
From
clip
there,
bin holds
you
recordings,
can
audio
save
files,
it or
images,
publish
and
it.
title slides being
And
used
if
in
you
the
create an
project you're
account,
currently
you can
working
go
on.
back and look
The
at your own
library stores
profile
video
at stories
clips,
that you've
intros, callouts,
done in the
title
past.
slides, and other media assets you want to use from project to project. It is pre-populated with professional content you can use in your videos. You can download more media from our website by clicking this link. You'll find a lot more music, callouts, and animated titles to use in your projects, and it's all free.
Here is my
Once you find
personal
something you
profile,
like this
where I
callout for
created a
example,
Storify
just
for a
drag it to a
class last
track on the
year about
timeline
Jennifer
and
Lawrence of the
resize and
Oscars.
reposition it as needed. Double-click
Here's
the
the
callout
title
on
and
the
the
canvas
introduction
to open the
paragraph,
callouts
and
tab
then
and
user
edit the
submitted
text, or
tweets,
change any
video,
of the text
GIFs, and
properties
basically
like
just the
color
entire
or
experience
size.
of her going down the red carpet at the
You
Oscars
can
all the
find a
way to her
number of other
winning an
callouts
award
to
and
use in your
falling up
projects
the
by
stairs.
expanding this Shapes menu.
Storify
You've
is a
probably
good
noticed the video
web
zooming
tool
in and
overall
out
to
at
use for
times.
people who
For
don't
example,
necessarily
here
like to
when
get
it's
their
zooming into the
information
timeline.
from traditional news
To learn
sources.
more about
It's
adding
also
and
good for
customizing
creative
zoom and pan
individuals that
animations to
enjoy
your video,
chronicling events
check
as
out
they
the other Getting
unfold.
Started
Because
tutorials on
it's a
our website.
user-generated site, it can have
We've
unreliable
talked about some
information
of the tabs
sometimes, but
already, but be sure to
generally it's at
explore the
least
others
good
for
for
adding and
entertainment
editing
and gives
special
traditional
effects.
media outlets a unique tool
If they don't
to
all
disperse
show up as
information
tabs,
through.
click on the More tab to explore others, like the speech-to-text capabilities and captions, and the improved quizzing. Also, transitions can now be dragged directly to the timeline and added on top of clips. So we've shown a few ways you can navigate and edit your video, but how do you get content into your video? To make a new screen recording, click the Record the Screen button. If you already have an audio or video recording you'd like to use, click the Import Media button. When you're done with your video project, you'll need to click the Produce and Share button to create a shareable video. Expand this menu to see a variety of presets. We have a new video player that plays back your MP4 video and includes other interactive features like table of contents, closed captions, quizzes, and even hotspots. These features are available when hosting your video on TechSmithScreencast.com or the video and player on your own web server. This player provides playback on multiple devices with just one video, whether it's a phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. Well, it's time for you to try Camtasia Studio for yourself using the content on the timeline, or better yet, create your own. We have lots of free tutorials on our website, and I recommend you begin with the Getting Started series. Also, the help file inside Camtasia Studio tells you how to use each of the Camtasia Studio features and applications. One last thing, if you ever want to open this Getting Started project again to view or practice with, use this link here. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Camtasia Studio.